Guys, so I was out here wandering around in the woods and I found Dave.
Hi.
Do you have anything to say?
Good luck.
A minute ago, he almost strangled himself with a zipper.
Yeah, I went to go zip it and he got caught in my crib.
So we were testing out our electric modes, and David said his is better than mine. Can you show me what? Wait. Bye, David. There he goes. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Connor. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As you can tell from the last video, I've got a haircut since then. Besides that, welcome back to another vlog. Let's get into it. Today, I'm going to be going down to my buddy David's place, where we're going to be taking a look at his four-wheeler because, yeah, if you haven't seen the video where we went to go four-wheeler riding, there should be a few videos back. You can go check out that one. It was a lot of fun to make and a lot of fun to do. But that four-wheeler he was riding in that video, that's his four-wheeler, and it's having problems with the starter. Something is not engaging. He put in a new battery on it, and now it's just clicking. So it's either the starter's bad or there's a bad connection. One of the two. Either way, they have a parts four-wheeler there with another starter on it that we can put on it. You get what I'm saying. Take it off of the parts and put it onto his four-wheeler. So one way or the other, it's not a huge deal. So we're going to be going, I'm heading down to his place to look at that today, and we're going to hang out for a little while. So, yeah, just thought I'd go ahead and bring you guys along. Yeah, don't mind the ping pong table. There's a ping pong table there, and flashing Christmas lights in the background. But at the moment, guys, I don't have my watch on me. That clock is wrong. Not only is it wrong, it's not even moving. It's like 2 something, around 2. I'm gonna say 2, 1 something. It's just a little while after noon. I'm about to starve, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some lunch. I think I'm gonna be making some egg sandwiches. We will see. Some fried egg sandwiches should be good, but at the moment I have some Andy Griffiths playing on my computer. So yeah, I may end up watching a little bit of that while I'm making the sandwiches. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, get your stuff ready to go, and probably head down there around 3:30, I think is what he said. So I'm going to go and do that, and I will see you guys in just a bit. See you guys soon. Alright, need the bread, burner's on. We got the gluten-free white bread, because obviously I'm allergic to gluten. Well, not obviously, I actually don't know if I've ever mentioned it on the channel, but now you know. I was actually, let me get down here on my knees. This is me on my knees. Okay, yeah, I actually was gluten-free before gluten-free was cool. Like, I basically started the trend. No, not really, but I was gluten-free a long time before it just became the thing to do. It's like, oh, yeah, let's go with the gluten-free. No, like, I literally had to have things gluten-free before there was all the gluten-free options. Actually, there were a few gluten-free options, but they weren't very good. I was gluten-free before gluten-free was cool. There's a song about that, I think, about not gluten-free, but like country. Back country, like country when country wasn't cool, something like that. Where are the eggs? Eggs. So, some fun fish chicken eggs today. Excuse my outfit, it's rather weird at the moment. I'm rocking some camo pants and this thermal like shirt thingy. And yeah, it's what we're going with today. It's chilly, so that's why the thermal shirt. My other one that would have matched the pants, it was actually camo, is dirty and it's cold, and I'm gonna be working. I've already been working outside, so these are actually really dirty and dusty. So I'm not really too concerned about the style because I'm gonna be working. Oh, I'm gonna need a spatula. Man, what am I thinking? Perfectly golden brown. I will save you guys a lot of waiting and just skip to when they're done. See you in a minute. Ta-da! Well, not completely done. They go on top, but they're adding a few other things first. Fun fact about me: I cannot handle eggs that are not fully cooked. Like, this is the least amount of cooked that I can handle. I can maybe just a tiny bit less, but I cannot handle them like runny in any way or like super soft. I just Sorry. I just ate one of these kettle cooked jalapeno chips, which I also put on the sandwich. They're very spicy when they get in your throat. There's the finished product. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and eat it before I die a jalapeno death. Bye. Just finished up with lunch a little while ago. Gonna go ahead and get stuff ready to go. I gotta go ahead and grab my coat and my hat that I'm wearing, which is this one right here. I got a Carhartt hat. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get stuff ready, and I will see you guys once I start heading that way. See you in just a minute. Guys, so I was out here wandering around the woods, and I found Dave. Hi. So I came down to David. We worked on his four-wheeler for a while. We checked the solenoids and everything that were clicking and everything. We're still getting power. I tried to basically hotwire it, like bypass the actual.
And he got seriously shocked.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I didn't. Why'd you? I did not get shocked. And so I tried to bypass it completely and basically hotwire it, but that wasn't working either, which worked on the other four-wheeler, which is why I was like, let's just try and change the entire starter. They had a parts four-wheeler there.
We had a parts four-wheeler sitting right beside my other one. We just robbed the starter.
It was very, very convenient. So we took the starter off of his and then grabbed the starter from it, put it back on, which took a little while because it wasn't fitting on quite right for a long time and my hands couldn't reach.
Oh, my hands. I was working really hard. I was breaking a sweat there. Well, you were sitting in a chair.
That's true. I was sitting in a chair, but I was the one putting the starter on.
Well, you know, I was supervising.
Yes,
not really supervising.
You were getting me tools though.
I was playing Go.
We got that one back on, and yes.
I was gonna say something, but I forgot again.
But we got that one back on, and it started up immediately. So it was just a bad starter, which means the battery that you replaced is probably good.
Yeah, because I got a brand new, seriously expensive battery for it. I was like, okay, I want this one to be the last one because I was expecting this one to last, 5 years. So I was hoping to get like a 3 or 5 year battery life. And well, I bought a really expensive one. Apparently, I didn't need to. I guess backup battery,
Yeah, you got a backup battery like me with my 3 carburetors. And they were probably all fine. It was just the choke that was on all the time.
Well, hey, you should never need to buy any more carburetors.
Well, I think I may have messed up the other ones though, because I adjusted the float valve.
Okay, I guess
possibly
still gonna have to. I mean, you could.
And the first one, like the very old one, when you try to put it on, the overflow valve, there's something wrong with the float valve and it just kicks the gasoline outside.
Well, I guess you can still, even though you have 3.
I have one extra that I could put on, but it's probably not the greatest. But it runs and it idles after a long time. But anyway, so we got that done. His four-wheeler runs now, and we're happy. And you know it, clap your hands. But anyway, guys, now we are all riding around. We got the four-wheelers here. They're running, and we're looking for goats.
Wonderful. No, stupid goats.
Yeah, they're kind of stupid. Do you have anything to say?
Good luck.
A minute ago, he almost strangled himself with a zipper.
Yeah, I went to go zip it and it got caught in my throat.
There we go.
Aha!
It's idling! It's idling! It's idling!
2 thumbs up.
Well, I can only give 1, but let's...
Oh, I just had to touch the button. I touched it.
I just touched the button. Just cruising. Woo, don't let me run you over, dog. I'm winning. I'm winning. Oh, I better watch in front of me so I don't run into David. Do you have anything you want to say to the audience?
We're moving really slow.
And this road is not wide enough for 2 wide. Go ahead. Yeah, that works. Oh my goodness. David, look out.
David, look out.
So we were testing out our electric modes, and David said his is better than mine. Could you show me? Wait. Bye, David. There he goes. Okay, that's good. We don't need you to go flipping or turning over backwards. That's good. Oh, nope, he's going all... Okay, all right. David, your hair. That's wonderful. Okay, so we found the goats.
Yes.
They were actually like right by the area we left from.
Yeah.
We went everywhere looking, and then
And
they
then we
literally
turned out they're right back. To
they
where
were
they're
right
supposed
back
to
where
be.
they were supposed to be. But we got to ride the 4-wheelers around. That was pretty fun. And so yeah, we found those. We came up here, and now this is where we part ways, David.
Nice to meet Connor.
It's nice knowing you too, buddy. This was fun working on the 4-wheeler with you, and now we will never see each other again.
Why?
No, we probably will very soon. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and finish up here, and then I'm gonna go ahead back.
Back to the house.
I'm gonna thank you, David. I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the house here in a bit and end the vlog up there. But yeah, we're gonna be saying bye to David now. Bye, David.
Bye, guys.
Fist bump.
Boom.
Ow. Okay, bye. All right, guys. So I just got back up to the house from working on David's 4-wheeler with him. We went and found those goats, like I said. Basically, what the problem was, like we said earlier, was literally just the starter was bad. Which, how it was acting made me not think it was a starter. Like I thought it was a solenoid problem, because that's the same thing I had happen to this little Kawasaki here that I fixed. And it was a solenoid, so I bypassed it, ended up making it where it's like hot wired until we fixed it another way. But I tried that on his, and it wasn't working. And like I said, they had a parts 4-wheeler right there by it, and so I was just like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and yank the starter off and just put the other one on, and just see if it works. And then if it doesn't, then we'll know for sure that it's not the starter. So we did that, and thankfully, Kawasaki is beautiful, and they make their stuff easy to work on. Starter's just on the side. It came off really easily. Took it off the other one, put it on, and it literally started right up. So that was a lot of fun. I really, really enjoy working on stuff like that. I've taken, let's see, how many starters have I done now? 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 in the last few years. Placing starters, but we worked on that. David and I got that switched over and put back on really well, and like I said, it was nothing hard, so we were able to get it done pretty quick. That was a lot of fun to do. And then afterwards we went, and as you saw, we rode around on the 4-wheelers a bit. A lot of fun. We went and found those goats that were just like right next to where we took off from, so it was all the same. We got to ride 4-wheelers around for a bit, so that's always a lot of fun. But I'm back now, guys, back at the house, and I am gonna go get some supper because I am getting hungry. So I'm gonna go warm up, get some supper, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Guys, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. If you're gonna do one or the other, please hit the subscribe button, because I'd much rather you hit that and not the like button than the like button and not the subscribe button. So just saying, if it's one or the other, and you know you're just going to press one of them, you only have one press that you can do the big rectangular red one that says subscribe. Guys, I would love to hit 50 subscribers soon, and then, of course, I'd like to get to 100. That would be absolutely fantastic. Like, 100 is the actual mark I'm shooting for right now. I know that may take a while, but, I mean, a goal isn't a goal, and this seems kind of like a little too high, so you got to set it just high enough. So I'd like to get to 100 subscribers. That would be fantastic, but baby steps. Let's see if we can get to 50. 50 would be fantastic, guys. So if you're on the edge of subscribing or not, and you like vlogs, and you like me, please subscribe. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.